What's up, all you Tri-Fi lovers? Look at this 1955. Look at this paint. Wow. Wow, wow, right? 55. Look at these wheels. Man, I wish I had these wheels. And you want to hear the best part about this? Wait, I'll show you it. I'll show you this awesome motor. Here we go. This thing, look at that. Look at that interior. 4-speed. Boom. Look at that dashboard. Wow. I don't even know how you get an awesome dashboard like that. That is crazy cool. Crazy, crazy cool. 4-speed with a digital dashboard. That's my dream right there. Wow, look at this thing. Hang on 1 second. Look at that.
Sorry about that.
That's crazy cool. And what's going on here? Let me find it. Let me find it. I see some vents inside there. It's got like a 12-volt air conditioner hiding in there. That compressor is hiding. Do you love Tri-Fis? You want to see more? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next FloridaCarShow.com.